In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to do everyday stuff on your computer. It's going to be a quick one, but I just want to get you to see AI tools the way I do, because that was a massive unlock. Right now, the industry is leaning really hard into the coding assistant side of things, making it seem like all this crazy AI stuff is just for developers. That doesn't have to be the case. It can just be a tool, like the extra set of hands you've always really wanted to do the absolutely irritating, annoying stuff. I just did a video where I used this tool to sort through 124,000 unread emails. You can check that video up here. But today we're looking locally. I've got a downloads folder from my old desktop that is an absolute mess. We're going to organize that. I want to show you how you can use these quote unquote coding tools to do everyday things like organizing your desktop. It's just getting hands on your computer and telling it what you want it to look like. And I'm going to walk you through the entire thing end to end. So as promised, these are the two files I was talking about from my old computer. Put them on an external hard drive just as it is. Complete disaster. No organization, no nothing. Bunch of video files and photos, and it's just not good. Anyway, that's the state of it. I'm sure you guys can all relate. Maybe you got like a file of old family photos or something like that that needs this sort of attention. Don't know, but let's go to the software now that's actually going to save the day for us. So it's called Google Antigravity. It's completely free from Google, and it's one of those things that's designed for developers. Check it out. If you go to use cases, I don't think ours is here. Check it out. It can edit code. It can edit code. It can edit code. And did you know it can edit code? But spoiler alert, we're not going to edit any code today. So download Antigravity, sign in with your Google account, and it'll bring up this here window, just like this. There's going to be a lot here, but don't worry. We're only going to focus on two things. We're going to go open folder, which is the folder that we want to organize, and we're going to worry about the chat window. And it is literally just like ChatGPT or Claude or whatever you're using. You use natural language, and it can take actions in the folders that we open. Let's go to the folder that we want to fix up. It's desktop/desktop, this guy here. And it's going to bring in all these files from that folder on the left-hand side. Don't worry about this code part. Let's just get rid of it. This is what you're looking at. So we're just going to go into the chat window and tell it exactly what we want to have happen in this folder, and it'll take action for us. If you go to Gemini as the model here, you can actually even talk to it just through this little microphone guy. So that's what we'll do. You just tell it exactly what you want this file to look like as soon as you're done. So here we go. Look at the files in this directory, create new folders, documents, photos, audio, video, old installers, move all PDFs and text files into documents, all images into photos, all audio into audio, and so forth. Put any .exe or app installers into old installers folder so I can go through them later. Okay, cool. Now it's got our voice note. We just click send. It's going to think about this for a minute. And it's you're going to see this happen in real time. Final stage of file organization. Cool. So it's going to be like, look, this is what we're trying to do, saying that we're moving audio into all this stuff. Then click run. And boom. Easy as that. Audio now has all of these MP3 and WAV files. Old installers has all my stuff. Documents. All of that. That looks great. Let's look at the folder now. Look at that. Another cool thing you can do is even though you're working in this folder, you can actually get another address to pull up. So I'm going to go and get this downloads folder here. I can go copy to path, or you can just open it up and click like this, copy, and you can paste it in here and do the exact same thing. Can you do the same to this folder as well? There, and it's going to go look for this, and it'll do the exact same thing in that folder, just like we asked it. We'll be able to watch this in real time in the folder. Boom. Honestly, it's as easy as that. And that's the end of the demo. I don't want to go too deep down the weeds of what this could do, but like there's very little attention paid to the everyday uses of these sorts of tools. And I just really wanted to show you guys what is possible from like an everyday sort of lens. Anyway, I highly recommend that you download this program for yourself, even for no other reason than day-to-day use like we had just said here. Check out the video I did here to see how to set this up with your email. Make sure to sub for more and click the link in the description so that you can learn how to use AI tools for yourself.